Do you know the 10 advantages of CFC fixtures for your heat treatment shop? 9th, CFC fixture part handling could be automated. Many ceramic samples were tested in heat treatment, including quenching, with excellent results for CFC. Source doctoral thesis from 𝗪𝗃𝗏. The low or extreme low thermal expansion in combination with an excellent thermal shock resistance, greater than 1000 Kelvin, never reached strength at high temperatures, and an extreme high dimensional and shape stability makes automated handling first time ever possible. At the 𝗏𝗏𝗏 Institute, we tested automated handling of CFC trays. The video shows a 𝗏𝗏𝗏 reference for automated part handling in heat treatment. See a loaded CFC rack with gear parts, MAN. Through CFC fixtures, part handling in heat treatment can be automated reliably for the first time ever. Start saving big with CFC fixtures for your heat treatment shop. Call +1 941 299 9191 or scan the QR code to learn more.